Welcome to our guide on deploying OpenClaw for real-world tasks. Today, we'll learn the deployment process and key applications of OpenClaw. Did you know that OpenClaw is revolutionizing how businesses automate complex tasks? In this video, we'll explore the secrets behind deploying OpenClaw effectively in real-world scenarios. OpenClaw is a powerful tool for automating intricate processes across various industries, from manufacturing to AI development. Today, you'll learn about its architecture, setting up the environment, configuration for tasks, integration with systems, and more. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to deploy OpenClaw effectively, enhancing your workflow and productivity.
OpenClaw's architecture is the backbone of its powerful capabilities. It consists of various components designed to work in harmony, providing a seamless automation experience. At its core, OpenClaw is built on a modular architecture, allowing for easy integration and customization according to your needs. The system is designed to handle complex tasks by breaking them down into manageable modules. This not only ensures efficient execution but also allows for scalability, meaning you can expand its functionality as your requirements grow. Understanding this architecture is crucial as it informs how you will set up, configure, and deploy OpenClaw in your operations.
Before you can harness the power of OpenClaw, setting up the right environment is essential. This involves ensuring you have the necessary software and hardware prerequisites. Start by installing the OpenClaw software package, which is compatible with most modern operating systems. Pay attention to the configuration settings during installation, as these will dictate how OpenClaw interacts with other systems. Once installed, conduct thorough environment testing to ensure everything is running smoothly. Be wary of common setup pitfalls such as incorrect configuration or incompatible hardware, which can hinder the deployment process.
Once your environment is set up, it's time to configure OpenClaw for the tasks at hand. OpenClaw's modular design allows for extensive customization, enabling you to tailor it specifically to your business needs. Start by identifying the tasks you wish to automate and then configure the relevant modules within OpenClaw. Use the built-in customization options to tweak configurations, ensuring optimal performance. Remember to test each configuration thoroughly, checking for any potential issues that might arise during execution. This step is crucial, as it directly influences the efficiency and reliability of the automated tasks. Integration is a key aspect of deploying OpenClaw effectively. It's crucial to ensure that OpenClaw can communicate seamlessly with your existing systems. This often involves using APIs to facilitate data exchange between OpenClaw and other software. Start by identifying the systems you wish to integrate with, and explore OpenClaw's compatibility with these platforms. Effective data flow management is vital to prevent bottlenecks and ensure seamless operations. Pay attention to security protocols to protect sensitive data during transmission. With successful integration, OpenClaw can become a pivotal component of your operational ecosystem.
Testing is an integral part of the deployment process, ensuring that your OpenClaw setup functions as intended. Begin by conducting a series of tests to evaluate performance under different scenarios. This iterative process helps in identifying potential issues, allowing for timely adjustments. Establish feedback loops to gather insights from users interacting with the system, which can inform further improvements. Remember, deployment is not a one-time event but a continuous process of refinement and optimization. Regular testing and iteration ensure that OpenClaw remains efficient, reliable, and aligned with your evolving business needs.
Even with careful planning, issues may arise during OpenClaw deployment. Common problems include compatibility issues, configuration errors, and integration challenges. Employ diagnostic techniques to pinpoint the root causes of these issues swiftly. Familiarize yourself with problem-solving strategies, such as checking logs and using diagnostic tools to understand system behavior. Utilize available resources, such as community forums or OpenClaw support channels, for additional guidance. Implement preventive measures like regular updates and backups to minimize the risk of future issues. Being proactive in troubleshooting ensures that OpenClaw remains a robust tool in your automation toolkit. Let's explore some real-world case studies showcasing the power of OpenClaw. In the manufacturing sector, companies have used OpenClaw to automate assembly line processes, significantly boosting productivity and reducing error rates. In the IT industry, firms have integrated OpenClaw for server management, leading to improved uptime and efficient resource allocation. These cases demonstrate OpenClaw's versatility and impact on operations. They also offer valuable lessons, such as the importance of thorough testing and customization to meet specific needs. By examining these examples, you'll gain insights into how OpenClaw can transform your business processes. As technology evolves, so do the tools we use. Future-proofing your OpenClaw setup ensures it remains relevant and effective. Start by staying informed about technological advancements that could impact OpenClaw. Consider scalability to accommodate future growth, and make regular updates a part of your maintenance routine. Analyze industry trends and adapt your deployment strategy accordingly. Strategic planning is essential to anticipate changes and prepare for them proactively. By future-proofing your setup, you ensure that OpenClaw continues to meet your needs as your business and technology landscape evolve.
We've covered everything you need to know about deploying OpenClaw for real-world tasks, from understanding its architecture to future-proofing your setup. Now it's your turn to apply this knowledge and see the results for yourself. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any challenges you face. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into automation technologies. If there are specific topics you want us to cover, let us know. Your feedback helps us create content that serves your needs.